Ishit Vyas and I am the founder of Healthy Waffles. We have started back in 2023 November and we launched this brand with the concept of healthy and clean ingredients. So we are in the manufacturing business of waffle and pancake mixes, and it's gluten-free, vegan, protein-packed, made up of zero maida and zero sugar. Instead of maida, we are using wheat, rice and ragi, and instead of sugar, we are using jaggery powder. So it's rich in protein, high in fiber, and we just want that India should eat clean food with the healthy ingredients, and they always get fit with our products. It's all about just making our product healthy and make sure that we are not mixing any kind of preservatives or anything, and we just deliver what we say or what we claim. CMPL is a very good platform, so it is for like my first time I'm visiting, and my expectation from CMPL is getting more contacts to grow my business in terms of like contract manufacturing or meeting the more good owners who are already doing well in the market. So it is a platform where it helps us grow, whether it's a small, medium or large scale business. It is a platform to connect people, and it's really a great initiative of the CMPL. Just believe in yourself, grind, whether it's 24 hours, don't stick to 9 to 5 or don't count the working hours. Just do your best and forget the rest.